Hello my friends, Rune Rebel here. Borrowed this knife from G10. Put a link in the description. It's the Bestech knives. This is the model number. G10 refers to it as the G10 model. There's some other markings. This is how it looks. It is not spring assisted or anything. It has a belt clip here. Blade is centered very well. You can see so here. It is secured by a magnet, so it won't open until you flick it open. Spear point, false edge on the top here. It says Grampus on the blade here. Not screaming sharp, but let's see. It will cut. That's a very nice edge. Liner lock, which means you push in this small piece there and then you can fold the blade. As you can see, no springs, and then it snaps in place. If you flick your hand while opening it, you can open it very fast. It feels very solid and nice. Not sure what kind of grip it has, but it looks nice and it feels very comfortable to hold. So if you just push it, I will almost snap it open. But if you snap your hand forward, you can really open it quickly. Yes. Maybe I keep this one. Looks very nice. We'll see. Okay. This piece here, maybe you can use it for opening car windows or something. Emergency opening. Well, I don't know. But this is how it looks like. Okay. Not much more to say about it really. But a big thanks to G10 for sending it to me. Okie dokie. Hope you liked the video. See you again another time, and thank you for watching.